Hi everyone, welcome back to the Behind the Scenes series. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to create this rounded bar chart using only native Power BI features. This chart is taken from my healthcare dashboard featured in my full tutorial. If you'd like to see how the complete dashboard comes together, check out the link above. As always, you'll find all the resources available for download in the description. Now, let's get started. We'll begin by removing the existing chart so we can recreate it completely from scratch. From here, insert a clustered column chart. Next, add the month field to the x-axis. Then place both patient prior year and patients onto the y-axis. With the fields in place, rename the first field to prior year and the second field to selected year. After renaming the fields, head over to the Format pane to begin refining the visual. First, adjust the size of the chart and position it neatly within its panel. Turn off the background as well, so it blends seamlessly into the dashboard. Next, remove the chart title since it isn't needed for this design. Then move to the x-axis and disable the axis title. For the y-axis, we'll make the scale dynamic. Start by clicking FX for the minimum value. Change the field value to the minimum measure, and then click OK to apply it. Repeat the same process for the maximum value, linking it to the maximum measure, so the axis automatically adjusts based on the selected data. After that, turn off both the y-axis values and the title for a cleaner presentation. Next, modify the legend by moving it to the top right corner, reducing the font size to 8, and turning off the legend title to keep it compact. Continue to the column settings. Under the Layout section, increase the space between categories to 52% to create more room around each column. With the layout complete, let's update the colors. Select the prior year series and set the bar color to white, so they stand out against the dashboard background. Then switch to the selected year series and change the bars to black to create a stronger visual contrast. Now comes the interesting part. To create the rounded ends, we'll use a feature that isn't normally associated with column chart: error bars. Let's start with the prior year series by enabling the error bars. To position the rounded end correctly, link the upper bound to patient prior year, then assign the lower bound to 0 so the rounded end extends from the base of each bar. Next, expand the bar settings, turn on Match Series Color, and reduce the border size to 0 so the error bar line disappears. To create the rounded ends, move down to the Markers settings, change the marker shape to circle, and increase the marker size to 7. Now repeat the same process for the selected year series by enabling the error bars. Again, link the upper bound to patients, and assign the lower bound to the field 0. Then return to the bar settings, enable Match Series Color, and remove the border. To apply the same rounded finish, move back to the Markers settings, select the circle shape once again, and increase the marker size to 7. Finally, let's connect the custom tooltip that has already been created for this report. Open the Properties pane, expand the tooltip settings, and choose the tooltip page from the list to link it to this chart. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, we've created a clean rounded bar chart using only the native Power BI features. If you're looking for more dashboard tips and templates, be sure to check out my earlier videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.